Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Speras. Now this here is their ST20. Now I was sent this flashlight kit from them directly. They wanted me to test and review this light of theirs. Comes in this box. We'll start off here with the specs. And as you can see there, sorry about the shadow in my camera here. 1300 lumens is the highest output that this can do. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, let's get this open and see what's in. Now my understanding is that this particular model comes in two versions, which are the batteries. One is a 3800 milliamp or 3100 milliamp. So I'm not sure which one I got, so I'm going to check it out right here now. See which one they sent me. It doesn't matter on the battery, but I'm hoping that I received the 3800 milliamp 18650. There's a lot of stuff in here, so let's go ahead and get it out. One USB Type-C charging cable, two O-rings. There are already O-rings on the light, these are just extra, and one lanyard, pretty good size. Here's the user manual. Front and back, including the warranty card. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Really a compact light. Fit in the palm of your hand. Definitely has a tactical attitude here. Two-way clip. Tail clicky. Now you get some blemishes from the packaging, but if you kind of rub on it a little bit, it'll work its way out. Style and design on this is nice. Now let's go ahead and take a look here. Got the special optics there. Now this is running the Luminus SST40 LED. Bezel on there. It's kind of got a flat finish. Some grooves here on the body. Now you can remove this if you don't want it on there. Now here's a perfect example. They give you a lanyard. A lot of people don't know that you actually put it on the hole of your clip, run it through there, and that's how you put the lanyard on a light that doesn't have a hole on the body. And the machining and finish on this is nice. No issues. You can carry it. Definitely small enough for everyday carry. Definitely compact enough. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take this apart, and I'll show you the insides here. Show you the tail spring, heavy duty on those. And looks like we've got a spring on the head of the light, so that's nice. So you can run any 18650, whether it be flat top or button top. And I'm nice to see that I got the 3800 milliamp version. This does have the built-in charging port, and the other version you'll get will have a 3100 milliamp. And I believe the charging port is on the light itself with a port cover. Nice to see these higher milliamp batteries. The technology, if this is what I think it is, there's only 3 manufacturers of this particular 4000 milliamp battery. Now they're being, conservative with the 3800, and that's fine. So nice to see that I got this. Hopefully it has enough battery power just to demonstrate it here before we take it outside. Now let's go through the UI. Activating the light just like that. Let me move the texture piece out of the way here. It must have stuck to my finger. So activating the light, now they have a switch design where you're going to push on the side. And once you do that, I've done it on the E21, real early sneak peek of that light, and this switch is amazing. Anywhere you push it, here, doesn't matter. Great for tactical, because if you take it out in a hurry, you can easily dial it down without having to worry about turning the light around. And you now, with the light off, you can strobe it, pressure switch that. So great for tactical use. And you can do so by half pressing and holding that as well with it on. So that's easy. And that is a variable speed on that flash, and it is distracting. Really nice low light output on that. We're going to check out the beam here. See, it has a nice focused area here for the hotspot. A lot of bleeding outside of that. And just a tapering spill. This tapers off pretty quickly. Not a huge fan of that, but it'll work. And that's all there is to this light. Simple and easy to operate this. It's what you want, especially if you're in law enforcement, security, or any other type of field that you would need a flashlight. That's what you want. Nice build quality overall. I'm not seeing any issues here. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does, in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Speras ST20. Let's go and get started. Starts off on the highest output. Large area at once, 238 feet. 138 feet to the tree of life there. Some good coverage. Try not to get eaten by mosquitoes. Seeing across the park to those playgrounds. Now I have a distance video below my videos, all of them, that shows my testing area, should you have any doubts. Fence line there, see the beam, tree line. There's the next level down. Still got some good beam coverage here, even on the lower light outputs. 38 feet here to the water spout. 65 feet there to that tree. Next level down. Try not to get eaten by mosquitoes. They are coming alive with the heat here. And there's the lowest light output that this can do. Still see quite a ways. Thing is doing really good. Especially for its size. Famous tree of life. Before and after here. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing does have some nice range on it. That is impressive. A couple hundred feet is plenty for something like this, especially in this size and form factor. This Luminus SST40 LED is impressive. Hopefully they'll come out with a version with the SST40. That would really be nice to see the difference in the intensity of that beam. But this here spill area is a weak point in my opinion on this type of optics, but not really a con, just a preference. But other than that, simple and easy to operate this light. Switch here is very nice. Really was impressed with the E21 and had the same feature on that, and very similar in this body style, but that was a sneak peek. This here is a release candidate. This does come in two flavors regarding the battery. One's a 3100 milliamp, the other one is the 3800 milliamp. Like this one here, run times are going to be decent, not going to have any issues. Plus, if you do, you're out there longer than you need it to be. Throw in another 18650. Doesn't matter what type, just make sure it has at least 15 amp, 10 amp, which should be fine, and you're back in business. Swap it out, continue on. Two-way clip. Now you can deep pocket carry that, so that's another Nice little feature. The USB Type-C charging port right on the battery is nice. You don't have to worry about any port being on the light, possibly getting water into it or dust and debris. So that's a plus. So overall, I'm impressed with this model and not seeing any issues. Okay, well, I want to thank Speras for sending me this ST20 to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below this video in the description box. That way you can get this, plus there'll be a special discount code which I'm still working on. That'll be there with it as well, and that'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Speras, all new, to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.